If you're looking for the best HostGator discount available right now, this video is for you, because the deal I'm about to show you gives you up to 76% off hosting, plus a free domain name, and it's better than what most people see on HostGator's regular pricing page. Right now, HostGator has provided me with an exclusive automatic discount, meaning no coupon code is needed. The discount is applied automatically when you use the link in the description. Quick disclosure before we jump in, the link in the description is an affiliate link. That means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and you still get the lowest HostGator pricing available. Here's what you get with this HostGator offer: up to 76% off HostGator hosting, free domain name on annual plans, lower pricing than HostGator's public pricing page, discount is automatically applied, no coupon code needed. One important thing to know, the biggest discount is on the 3-year term, and the monthly plan does not include a free domain name. Let's break down the HostGator plans so you know exactly which one to choose. The Hatchling Plan is HostGator's entry-level option, as low as $2.99 per month, up to 73% off, 10 websites, 10 GB SSD storage. This plan is best if you're running a small website or a few simple sites and want the lowest possible price. The Baby Plan is the most popular option for most people, as low as $3.99 per month, up to 76% off, 20 websites, 20 GB of SSD storage. This is a plan I usually recommend if you're building multiple websites, blogs, or client projects. The Business Plan adds security features on top of more resources, as low as $5.49 per month, up to 75% off, 50 websites, 50 GB SSD storage, malware detection and removal included. This plan is great if you're running business sites, e-commerce, or client websites and want extra protection built in. The Pro Plan is HostGator's highest tier shared hosting plan, as low as $13.95 per month, up to 53% off, 100 websites, 100 GB SSD storage, malware detection and removal included. This plan is best if you're managing a lot of websites or want maximum resources on shared hosting. Here's something a lot of people miss: free domain name is included with any annual plan. Monthly billing does not include a free domain. The 3-year term gives you the biggest discount. If you're planning to keep your site long term, the annual plans save you significantly more money. To get this HostGator deal, click the link in the description. Choose your plan. The discount is automatically applied at checkout, no coupon code required. If you go directly to HostGator without using the link, you'll usually see higher pricing, even during promotions. So if you want up to 76% off HostGator hosting, plus a free domain name, and lowest pricing available, use the link in the description before this deal changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.